everyone, Sunset Dazzling here with another video. So today we've got these squishy keychains by Molang. I've got 5 of them here today, so let's open them up and see what's inside. So here is the packaging. This is a series, I know that, but I haven't watched it yet. I know it's on Netflix, so I am going to watch this in the future. So it says here, squishy 3D keychains, 6 to collect. I've got 5 today, so hopefully I get the full collection, but I doubt it, because I need like 1 more, but yeah, hopefully I don't get no doubles. And it says here, my best friend, and it has a little rabbit here, I don't know its name yet, and a little chickie. Chickie looks so cute. So here it says, again, collect all 6 characters, and the logo, so you can get this little bunny with glasses on, this bunny with like little brown bits, this duck, oh, let me focus it, there we go. The main character, these 2 are the main characters I think, this little grey bunny and this all over brown bunny. So this is for not under 3-year-olds, and it has small parts, so it's a choking hazard, so if you are giving this to a child, make sure they don't choke on the keychain and they are of suitable age. So let's open it and find out what we got. Okay, so let's open it. It has a little turn mark here. Oh, we got the little chickie. Oh my gosh. Ew, what the heck is that? Okay, my chicken has like a little defect on it. Okay, here is a close-up of the chicken. It has some little defect. I don't know what that is. Let me focus it. Oh, sorry. It's got some little green thing on it. I don't know what that is. But anyway, this is so cute. It's got like little feet at the bottom. And it's got a pink little keychain, which is so cute. Oh, sorry. And it's got a little blushy. I don't know what happened to the blush on its eye. That looks creepy. And we do not like that. So hopefully we do get another chicken that is better. And it is squishy and super slow rising. So yeah, let's open up the other ones. So there's a little chickie back there, so let's open up another one. Sorry if this is shaky because I just made a makeshift tripod out of using toilet paper rolls. So sorry if it is shaky because yeah, it's not really a good tripod. Oh, we got the main character again. Ew, it's got some defects. Well, these are from the pound shop, so you get what you expect really. But if they were on shop shelves, I would really want a refund. But it's really slow rising. Super cute. At least the blusher is good, but I could get it off. Let me focus it quickly. Oh. Yeah, it's got lots of defects. Okay, let's put it next to chicken. There we go. Will I stand? There we go. So let's open up, put the rubbish to the side, and open up another one. Here is the 3rd packet. Oh, for some reason, the little pull thing is so tiny this side. Let's open up another one. Oh, we got the chicken again. Okay, this chicken looks a bit better. So I'm happy we got the chicken again. Oh, will it focus? There we go. It's still a little bit rough around the edges, but I could easily get that off. But there's the chicken again. So let's put the chicken next to the chicken. Oh, why is it gone so bright? Sorry. And let's open up the 4th one. Okay, the 4th one. Oh. The tear strips are like non-existent on these ones. Oh, we got the grey bunny with the glasses. Oh my god, this one's so cute. Okay, I like this one. And it's super slow rising, which is adorable and so cute. I like this one. This is one of my favourites. This one and the chicken probably. Yeah, or the other little grey bunny. But I love this one. So let's put it up next to this. Oh, you can't really see. There we go. And let's open the 5th and final packet. Okay, so now for the last and final packet. Comment down below if I don't get, well, I'm not going to get all the characters, but comment down below if you want to see more of these characters and see me get more of them. we got this one again. Okay, never mind. But anyway, that's all we got. So I probably will buy more of these anyways, but comment down below if you want to see more of these Molang keychain reviews and see if I can get the full collection. Anyway, that's it for today's video. Remember to like this video if you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload these videos. Also, comment down below what one's your favourite character, and if it's not one of the ones I've got, what one is it out of these? And I will probably make more reviews like this. Comment down below also what other reviews you would like me to see, or like what other videos I should make if you don't like reviews. So that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it, and bye. Sunset Dazzling is out.